Hey Globetrotters, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lori. I hope you guys all enjoy the video. So on our way to Chattanooga, we stopped at Buc-ee's, which is a location in Tennessee, in Sevierville, Tennessee. And according to their website, Buc-ee's is a chain of travel centers, convenience stores. It was originally founded in Texas by a gentleman whose nickname is Beaver, hence Buc-ee the Beaver as its mascot. So there had been a lot of hype about the opening of this specific location. They have locations in Georgia, Kentucky, Alabama, Texas, of course, Florida, South Carolina, and now in Tennessee, and it's growing. It's obviously in the South, mostly because it's more of like a small gas station turned into this country store, into this national chain. Buc-ee's is a store that is known for more than being a rest stop. It's a gas station. It's a place to recharge your electric vehicles. It's a place to get a good meal. It's a place to get good souvenirs, as well as I hear that the bathrooms are very clean. So I don't use public restrooms when traveling. My companion went in and she said that it was very clean, that the bathroom had wooden doors and all of that. And she bought some of the Korean barbecue beef jerky and she said it was very good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. This was a first for me. I think I would go back, if not just to try the fudge and the beef jerky, because I didn't buy either one of those, and those were the two things that stood out the most to me. Enjoy, and if you find yourself enjoying, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And there's Buc-ee. Hey, Buc-ee. Buc-ee the otter. All right, let's go on in. See what there is to see. This is in Sevierville, Tennessee. Oh my gosh. I don't understand where I am. I just know there's like the big...
I saw the beaver, and she was carrying it to her bedroom, and her granddaughter saw it. And she says, I gotta go back and buy another one. The kid won't leave it alone.
Well, I
What's
just
the name of that?
it's a seer, and the first thing I see is too cute. Have a good day.
You too. Supposedly they also have the cutest stuff. They've got great snacks. This is what I've been told. Oh, there's Buc-ee. And then they have the cleanest restrooms. There's a line to take pictures of Buc-ee. So cute. Picture for you. It's okay. I just think it's cute.
Is ready for pickup. Order 728 is ready for pickup.
What's over here? There's home stuff. Okay. That's a charger. Interesting charger. Reclaimed granite trivet. Really cool. Have to use the restroom, so I'm not going anywhere. What is this? Texas Roundup. Brisket, pork, turkey, sausage, chicken, sandwiches, pudding, salads, sweets. Okay, so it's a food station. Oh my gosh. This place is huge. We literally just stopped just to see what's going on here. So I gassed up before I got to this area, so my tank is full. I do not need to buy any gas. I don't eat on the road, basically. Saving it all for dinner tonight. And yeah, I got my big bottle of water in the car that I'm sipping on. Not buying any candies or any gums or anything. I'm all stocked on that. Big coffee station. Wow. It's a grocery store on this side. It's a home goods store on the other side. Feels very much like Walmart, but it's at a rest stop. And people are yelling over here, and I don't know what it's about. It feels very festive. There's a bakery section with cookies and oh, that looks so good. Scones. There's a burritos and tacos section. And there's a jerky section. Huh, that's different. Yeah, that's not in your basic. Bohemian garlic, sweet and spicy, jalapeno honey, steakhouse, teriyaki, cherry maple, Korean barbecue, lemon pepper, western style pepper, a lot of different flavors. So I guess over here at the Roundup is where they were yelling and making all that noise. The order is up. Look at the sandwiches. Oh my god. That's a whole lot of meat. He is chopped over there, isn't he? Wow. Well, I came and I saw what the hype is about. What they're saying, but they're making it festive. Ooh, there's fudge. No, 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 no. I love a fudge. Oh, look at all the different fudge in the case there. Let's see what flavors they have. Blueberry cheesecake, chocolate walnut, mochaccino, key lime pie, cherry, chewy praline fudge, chocolate rocky road, chocolate pecan. Oh my gosh. Birthday cake, banana pudding fudge, M&M fudge, peanut butter, cookies and cream, chocolate walnut, salt, salted caramel, caramel chocolate nut, chewy praline. Oh my gosh, I've never seen so much fudge. Buy 4, get 2 free. Yeah, that would be where I'd fall off the truck. Would be for fudge. That would be where I give in. I'm not doing it. That and with the jerky. I have to tell my son about this place. Maybe worth the trip just to... It's about an hour from our house. We may come just for that. Okay, so let's see what's on this side of the store. There's more jerky stuff. Now there's Christmas pajamas, family style onesies. Excuse me. Can you guys imagine me in one of these onesies? That would be hilarious.
To the bathroom.
Will you stay with Mom? I'm going to the
More paraphernalia, branded stuff. Pillows. Travel pillows. Blankets. Pajamas. Buc-ees on everything. My gosh. Phone holder Buc-ee. Buc-ee's footballs. Oh, this is cute. Buc-ee's mugs and cups and glasses and party stuff. Little kids section. Your nameplate, your name keychain. Just baby stuff. Tennessee branded stuff. You gotta have your cowboy hats. Guns, guns, guns.
Order 9 is ready for pickup.
Very interesting. And what's over here? Very cool.
Order 168 is ready for pickup.
We came, we saw, we explored, we conquered. Now we can leave. BUC-ee's, Sevierville, Tennessee. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Let me know if you've been here. Let me know if you want to visit. Yeah, that's it. Bye-bye, BUC-ee's.
Yeah, we're passing through it.
Have to do the shot of the mountains in the background there. Mountains of East Tennessee. Gotta do that. Enjoy.